Hi there, welcome to Teacher Talk 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Sarah Swartz. Welcome to my classroom, my 6th grade classroom. We are in our 3rd week of online learning and we haven't been in person yet. We have a potential date in October, but we'll see what happens with that. So because we've been doing so much online learning and there's so many other teachers and schools in the same situation, I thought I would share 3 tips that I have found super helpful as I'm teaching online. And the first one is very, very simple. It is get a little whiteboard. This thing has been awesome as we're doing science and math, and even if you're doing process of elimination, teaching process of elimination, like this has just been really great because it's transportable. So I can use it at work, I can use it at home. I don't have to be in my shower. Like I've seen some teachers utilizing the whiteboardness of their shower, which is great and very resourceful, but this is like $3 to $5 on Target. So go get that. My second piece of advice for online learning would be log all your phone calls home. You definitely want to log your emails in Class Dojo or however you're reaching out to parents, but those are taken care of because they're online and they have timestamps. You want to be logging all of your phone calls, and I actually have a free downloadable it's Google Sheets, so you'll just be able to make your own copy. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna log who you're calling, when you're calling, what you called about, if they answered, and that's just gonna help with your accountability. And if a parent calls in 6 months and says, hey, why does my kid have this grade? Or why does my kid not have any work turned in? You can say, well, this is when I called you and this is when I, Class Dojo'd you or emailed you, and you have that and your booty is covered. So definitely want to log all communications home, especially phone calls. My third and final piece of advice for you would be, I wrote it down, have an awesome visual presentation. If you're doing online learning and you're just talking, your students are probably asleep. So make sure that you have a really great visual presentation. If you want a very simple Google Slides presentation, I'll leave the link for mine in from my TPT store. Very simple, very basic. You can change everything, but you're allowing your students visual aid and graphics and engagement, and you're engaging your students when you use those visuals. So definitely have an online presentation while you're talking or giving agendas or whatever it is. Anyways, those are my 3 tips. Get a whiteboard, log all your communications home, and have an awesome presentation. If there's something that's working for you guys, let me know. I'd love to hear from it, and I'll talk to you soon.